Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to see how much battery you have left on your Android phone. So besides just looking at the battery icon up at the top and then maybe there'll be a percentage in there, I'm going to show you guys an alternate way to see. So it should be a pretty quick tutorial and we're going to jump right onto it. And we're going to start by opening up the settings menu, however you normally would access that through your Android device. Now underneath device, you want to left click on battery. Now it'll show you how much battery you have left on your Android device and if it's charging or not. So pretty straightforward. And you can always refresh the page while up there just to see more up-to-date information as real-time data is coming in. But I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.